Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Firefox browser on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So first of all, open your browser and search for Firefox browser. In order to download Firefox browser, just open any browser available on your Windows 10 computer and search for Firefox browser. Let me tell you that Firefox browser is a free and open source web browser developed by Mozilla Foundation. So open the link from mozilla.org. Don't worry about the download link. You will get the download link in the description box. This is the official website from where you can download Firefox browser. So this is the preview of your browser, how your browser is going to look. And here we have some latest feature which is available on Firefox browser, such as picture-in-picture mode, dark mode, and extra layer of protection. And you also get other features like work with Google product, Facebook container, sync your device. So if you are using Firefox browser on your multiple device, then all your devices, browser history, or you can say web pages will be synced with your Firefox account. You also get a feature to take a screenshot, so you can take screenshot using Firefox browser, enhanced tracking protection, and picture-in-picture mode. Now to download, you can simply click on download Firefox. Here you can see our Firefox installer.exe file has been downloaded. So if your download doesn't start automatically, then you can click on try downloading again. So now let me open this installer file. So let me minimize the browser. So here we have our installation window. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. So here we have our Firefox browser. Welcome to Firefox. So let me maximize the window. Here we get two tabs, welcome to Firefox, and here we have some Firefox privacy notice. You can go through this Firefox policy notice. For now, let me close this window and here click on start setup. Here we have import option, so you can import your passwords, bookmark, and more. For that, you don't need to create any account. It will bring all the information from your existing browser which you are using. So for now, let me click on start import. Here you will get list of existing browser which you are currently using. Just select your browser. For now, let me select Microsoft Edge, then click on next. And here you can select your import items such as cookies, browsing history, saved login and password, and favorites. Let me check all these options and click on next. Here you can see our import process is successfully completed. Now let me click on finish. And here we have some theme option. You can select automatic, light, dark, and a default theme from Firefox. Let me select this default theme from Firefox, then click on save theme. So this is how your browser is going to look like. Let us visit our website, thecoderworld.com. If you don't know about our website, then the website link will be on the description box. You can visit the website and you will get tons of informative blogs. So this is how you can install Firefox browser on your Windows 10 computer. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.